All right, welcome traders. So this will be a quick video about how to read candlesticks, especially for beginners. Okay, it's going to be a very quick video. Within 5 minutes, we are done. All right. So first of all, what are candlesticks? Candlesticks are basically the language of the market. Okay, you see all these things you are seeing here. It's basically telling you what the market is doing and what the market is going to do. Okay, so all this you are seeing here now, they are the language of the markets. Do you get me? This is the language of the market. The candlestick is the language of the market. So we have two major types of candlestick. We have the bullish candle and the bearish candle. A bullish candle is a candlestick that is going up. Okay, and those are these blue ones you are seeing. All the blue candles here you are seeing, they are going up. Why? The bearish candle are the candles that are going down. That is these red ones you are seeing. So if you look here, you see that anytime you see red, the market is actually going down. And anytime you see blue, the market is going up. Okay. So the red candles here are the bearish candle. That is the selling candle. Why? These candles here, the blue ones, they are the buying candle or the bullish candle. You can see it. Okay. So what is the importance of this candle? They're basically giving us informations about the market. Okay. And as you advance, as you study the candlestick, you start noticing that this candlestick, they used to give a pattern. Meaning there is a particular shape these candlesticks will give you, and you can know if the market is going to buy or sell. And there's a particular shape this candlestick will give you, you can know if the candlestick is going to what? Is going to go up or go down. Okay? So I want to talk about three major ones here that you can start using from today in your trading. But then if you want more knowledge about this whole candlestick stuff, I have a full video. I've made a full video explaining everything from the very basics of it. How candlesticks are formed, how to read it, how to use it to trade properly. There's a video for that. You can go and watch that after watching this one. Okay, I'll tag it now. Okay, so I'll just quickly tell you the important ones that you should know for now. All right. So the first one I want you to know is a hammer candle. Okay. This candle has the shape of a hammer. That's how this candle look. Okay. It is called the hammer candle. And if I see the shape of a candle, it's telling that the markets are about to go. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you here. In fact, let me show you now as I'm teaching you. This is the hammer candle. Okay. When you see this candle, usually at an area of value, it means that the market is about to go up. So if you bought at this place after seeing this candle, you would have made your money, your profits. Okay? You would have made your profits. And your place, you could have basically ride or rode this market up to this portion. You can say it's 1 to 3 is okay for you. You can say you would have made your quick profits out of this place with just this candlestick. You get me? So it's a very important candle that you should know in trading. That is the hammer candle. Where is it again? Yes, that is the hammer candle. So the opposite of it is what is called the inverse hammer, or some people call it the pin bar. So the opposite of a hammer is just reverse the hammer. Okay, so this is the opposite of it. If you look at it, if you just check, we're surely going to see it. So look here, you're going to see. Look at this position. You're going to see that after this reverse hammer, the market started going down. So if you actually sold from this portion, I kept your stop loss after the candle and you increased your profit, look what the market did. You'd have made a lot of profit on your end with just that candle. Okay, so like I said, let's go quickly. So the next one is the engulfing candle. The engulfing candle is a candle that covers the other candle. So the engulfing candle is usually like this. It's usually a small candle. Why? The engulfing will now cover that small candle. So it can be bullish engulfing. That means the blue one covers the red one, or it can be bearish engulfing. That means the red one covers the blue one. So let me show you quickly. Okay, so look at this one. Look at this. Okay, you can see that after the function of this engulfing candle, the market went up with what? With momentum. So if you pick up your no position tool, it would have actually cut all this. Are you getting me? So this are the main two. It is another one I'm going to show you, but that one is not so important. But these are the major two that you can start using from today. You can go to your chart and try it out. Understand me? And try it out and see for yourself. Okay, so these are the major two. There's another one we call the doji. Okay, so this candlestick is like a cross. Okay, it's like a cross. It does not really have a body. Okay, now the different part of the candle, we have the body, we have the wick, okay, we have the highs and the lows. If you don't know about that here, well, like I said, I already have a video where I explain all of that, and I've already tagged it. Okay, and I'm also going to place the link for the video in the description, and I'm going to put the card at the end of this video so you can go and watch all that. Okay, this is called the doji candle. Okay, it's an individual candle. So whenever the market, let's say the market is going down like this, going down, and it gets to this portion, okay, and you see a doji, it shows that the market is about to start going up. Are you getting me? That is what a doji candle shows. So let's just check so you see for yourself quickly. Okay, so let's look at for a doji. Let's go to another market. Then, so if you look here, this is actually a doji. Okay, you can see that it does not really have a body like that. Okay, although this one have a body work, the perfect doji is just like this. It doesn't have a body, but this one, okay, just have a little body, but it's still the shape of a doji. So how do you use the doji candle? Whenever the market is coming down, okay, let's say market is let's say selling. It gets to a point, and you see this doji candle, and the candle that follows it is now bullish. It simply means that the market is ready to start going up. Okay, you can simply take your position to, then raise your profit up. Okay, and if you zoom out, you're going to see that most likely, okay, it's going to go in your direction. But here, we actually stopped out. The market went up, okay, but then at the ending, it came down. If your stop loss was below this portion, you would have been stopped out. Okay, but you see, the market eventually went up, and it actually gave you some profit before it went down. Okay, now what I gave you here was just half-baked information on this whole candlestick, just to give you a general idea of candlesticks. What you should understand is that you don't just use candlestick at anywhere in the market. You can't use this pattern, the hammer candle, the doji, or the engulfing at any place in the market. No, you need to use them at areas of value. When I say areas of value, I'm talking about areas of support or areas of resistance. Okay, so as you can see, this area now is an area of support. Okay, so all those candlesticks are going to work well at this kind of area, but then you cannot be using them at areas like this at the middle of nowhere. Okay, you cannot be using them at the middle of nowhere. You cannot be using them here. You have to use them at areas of value like this. That's how you can use it and make maximum profit with it. Okay, and to get the full information, okay, just watch the video that I'm going to place right now on the screen. Okay, the card of that video is going to be after this video. Watch the video, is going to give you a full understanding of it. And if you're a beginner to trading here, I have a program where I teach people how to trade from the beginner to the expert session. I also have a trading ebook that teaches you how to trade also from the beginner to the expert session, basically. So if you want that, you can send me a message via the link in the description of this video for you to talk with me directly and join the program. So this is for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you stop the then when I drop a new video.